Yeah. What's your name, man?
Jason.
Jason? This is how we do it in Burnie, everybody.
Mystery man.
It's a bit of a sleepy town.
Sleepy town?
Yeah.
Where's all the young people?
Welcome to Burnie.
Here we are, everybody. Burnie Tasmania. A bit far away from the regular part of the land, but check this out. These are probably the nicest looking toilets you've seen. Bathrooms for all my American people out there. This is called the Burnie bathroom. And look at the design right on the beach. Handle your business. And then you go out there and you look and you got all kind of stuff. So it's a bit of a port town. You got cruise ships, cargo ships coming in. You got a little bit of everything. So let me go out here actually, because y'all know, I know you like to see me touch the sand and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna tell you what the temperature is like. Let's go out here and see what we can find. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Good old Burnie. So we're just gonna go out here and have a look. It actually looks really cold, so I might. It's all kind of barnacles and oh, penguin feathers. There you go. Lots of penguins come up here. Looking for penguin prints. I'm gonna reach my hand out and I'll let y'all know how cold it is. Let's find out. Is it freezing? It's actually not that bad, surprisingly. So it's a nice place, all. Good old Burnie Yacht Club, right? So here's a better view of the yacht club, everybody. So the Burnie Yacht Club, you look out this way, you got the ocean. You look across the highway, there's a timber mill, hardware store, a few old buildings, and a medical building. I made it to Burnie Beach, everybody. So you can't really have your dogs around too many places just because of the penguins. The penguins go crazy out here. And dogs and penguins don't mix. But there's a little rock area, right? It's actually pretty nice today, believe it or not. For Tasmania, it is. So that's pretty good. Look at my friend over here with these seagulls, man. The seagulls going crazy. So, hey, man. Oh, hey, channel. Oh, I was gonna get them on. That's okay. That's okay. So, just, hey, how you doing, man? All right. I don't want to scare him off. Okay, it's all right. Yeah. What's your name, man? Jason. Jason? You live here in Burnie?
Yeah, I do here.
Okay, cool, man. Yeah, I'm just visiting, man. I'm from the States, so I came over. It's all good. You want to tell me a little bit about Burnie? What do you like about it, man?
Burnie? Yes, you guys go surfing or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah, surf waves not real good, but you can surf.
Yeah. These
Not real good the waves, but sometimes you can surf.
Oh, really? Okay, yeah. I just touched the water. It's not as cold as I thought it would be, man. So that's good.
That's also, or there's not much to do in Burnie.
Yeah. What do people do? Feed the birds. Yeah. That's all right. What else do you do besides feed the birds, man?
Not much.
Okay.
Not much.
All right. Well, sounds like a good life, man.
Yeah.
Looks all right out here. Things are going good. All right. Nice to meet you, man. I'll see you around. See ya. All right. Time to start the workout. You about to hit the bars?
Yeah.
All right. Cool, man. So I know not that many people come out here. Show me what you can do, man. All right. Let me see. This is how we do it in Burnie, everybody. Don't hurt yourself. Nice. What's your name, man? All right, cool, man. So nice to meet you and everything.
Yeah,
so what do you do around here in Burnie, man? I'm trying to
I normally
out.
just come out here to work out.
Okay.
Yeah, I live about an hour away.
Oh, really? Where, Smithin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was going to do a video on there, but it's too far.
Right.
So what do you recommend about Smithin if I were to go out there? What's happening in Smithin?
Honestly, there's not a lot.
Okay. I like your workout shoes. It's going pretty good.
Yeah. There's not a lot down
Okay.
Smithton.
So tell me something about Burnie. Like, what's the best thing to you about Burnie?
Probably the people.
The people.
Really.
All right.
Yeah.
What about the people? Are they crazy or what's
A
happening?
lot of nice people.
Oh, they're actually nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, this guy's pretty nice. I talked to earlier before, so that's pretty cool, man. So
Backflip.
yeah, do a backflip.
Mystery man.
That's a good one, man. All right, cool. I'm gonna try to get my way around here. And nice to meet you, man. I'll see you around.
Yeah, you do.
All right, see ya. All right, let's go around and get a little bit of the town here. See what's happening in old Burnie. Yeah, people nice, man. This is what it's all about. Just kind of go through the town, and you got the cargo ships, This one's over here called the Beach Hotel. Channel. It does get a little chilly at times though. Now the sun's gone already, but that's okay. Hey man, how you doing? Mystery people, get excited, get excited, get excited. Now some fun facts about Burnie. Time to do this, y'all. So Burnie, northwest coast of Tasmania, population about 19,000 people, and it's known for the paper mill. That's something to be known about right there. A town known about the paper mill, all right? It's also known about a annual race that's been going since 1985 called the Burnie 10-kilometer race, one of the biggest sporting events in Tasmania. Get excited, Mystery Man. Not many cars though, so what's everybody doing? All right, I'm just gonna talk to these ladies. Ladies, how y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? Hey, I'm doing a video on Burnie. Come on over. All right, let me get you right over here, yeah? All right, you can stop, it's all good. Okay, cool. What's y'all's names? Get a little bit closer, I'll get y'all together. This one's camera shy, but this one will talk for a little bit. All right, tell me a little bit about Burnie, because I'm just visiting.
Burnie was good.
That's it?
Yeah, so...
That's all y'all do? Just walk around. Okay, have a good day. And you too over there, you too. All right. Hey y'all, what's happening? You want to get on? Let me put you on, man. Let me go through this dark alley, man, so put y'all on. I'm from way overseas, so I don't know nobody over here, right? So that's all good. So tell me a little bit about Burnie, man. What's happening?
We actually work with a Beam scooter company, so.
Oh, okay, cool. You want to tell me something about that?
Yeah.
You get free promotion, man.
Or you can just have a look in here.
Oh, really? Okay. All right, let's go check it out. We're gonna look at some batteries. VIP. All right. We are in the scooter factory here, Mystery Man. All right. So tell me a little bit about these scooters here.
So all these scooters are Mystery Man
being
repaired.
Okay.
These ones are ready to go out.
All right. Now, how do these scooters go? Because I've been around Burnie a little bit, right?
Yeah.
How do these scooters go with people that are extremely overweight? What do you do about that?
What's that? There's no real.
So equal opportunity scooting.
Yeah,
All right. So there's no weight limit.
No.
Everybody out there in America, especially. All right.
Might just go a bit slower.
Oh, slower.
Yeah.
All right. Some people would call that discrimination, but that's okay.
No, it just.
All right.
It's just the weight.
Just the weight of the scooter. All right, cool. So, like, what's happening in Burnie, man? Because there's not too much going on. I'm just walking around and.
Well, it's a bit of a sleepy town.
Sleepy town?
Yeah.
Where's all the young people?
Well, it's school holidays at the moment, so.
We're not talking about the R. Kelly young people, right? We're talking about grown but young, right?
Well, Tasmania's the kind of place where once you get a bit older, you move to the mainland. No, to work.
Oh, to work, to go out of there.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
cool.
most of the young people would be doing that.
Okay,
Yeah.
totally understand. That's all right.
Mystery Man!
Have a good day. Thanks, y'all. Appreciate it. Look for me on YouTube, Mystery Man. You'll see it out there. I'm all over the place. Just came back from Bora Bora. All right?
Oh, awesome.
Have a good day. See you, man. All right. They were pretty nice. They're just letting me in the workplace and all that good stuff. So we're just going to keep rolling out here and check the town out.
Mystery Man.
It's going pretty good.
While we are along on this walk, y'all, just gonna tell you a little bit more about Burnie now. Y'all saw the beach at the beginning. It's known for its beautiful beaches. One's called Cooey Beach, one's called Somerset Beach, so they're really popular. They also got another tourist attraction called the Burnie Makers Workshop. We got scenery everywhere. We got views of the city. We got views of the coast. It's popular with hikers. And the city was actually named after some guy named William Burnie. 1820. Shout out to 1820s Mystery Man.
Old Burnie. And I just want to find one of these buildings, actually, that's a really nice looking building. So we'll see. Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, I just got everybody from Burnie, man. I'm putting them on. I'll put you on for a little bit if you want, man.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, where you going? All right, I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
I was just going for a walk.
All right, live action, going for a walk. Where are you going?
Well, I was waiting for a friend because they're getting some food.
Okay, cool, man. Yeah, I'll just interview actually right here. So there you go. So just pop right over here, man. We'll talk about Burnie a little bit. So you grew up in Burnie or what?
No, I didn't.
Oh, where'd you grow up at?
Western Australia.
Oh, all the way over there?
Yeah.
Okay, what part of WA? Been around there a little bit.
I lived all over, but Perth.
Okay, just the Perth area?
Perth area. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Like what? All the way up to Geraldton or down to Fremantle?
Yanchep, which is not far from Toobrock.
Yeah. I've been all through WA, man, over the years. So.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So how long you been in Burnie for?
I got here last year because my grandmother lives here.
Oh, okay, cool. It's good to be close to family and stuff, man. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, man. Cool. I hope you enjoy everything on your walk.
Mystery Man, welcome to Burnie.
Perfect. Thanks, man. Have a good day. Y'all can get a up close and personal view of old Tasmanian life here. Mystery Man.
I hope everybody enjoyed this Mystery Man video on Burnie, Tasmania. If y'all like more, put it in the comments. But check this out, I ain't done yet. I got some more fun facts about Burnie. Let's talk about the demographics. That's what y'all want to hear, right? So the median age is about 43 years. The largest age group is about 50 to 54 year olds. That's about 7.1% of the population. As far as the ethnicity is concerned, take a guess, right? I ain't really got to say too much about that. But 90% were born in Australia. Most of them were born in the UK, New Zealand, Scotland, things like that. The major language of Burnie is obviously English. Check this one out though. 20% of Burnie residents have a bachelor's degree, so the education is quite high there. And as far as the employment is concerned, the largest employment sector is healthcare, social assistance, things like that. So people in Burnie like to help people, mystery people. We like to help people. Everybody, Mystery Man, do what you do, enjoy. Until next time, Mystery Man. Man, where are you taking me today, man?